Yes, my people, check in, check in. Yes, my people. So there you have it, people. All polling stations supposed to close by now. There you have it. And we have a lot of rain. We badly need the rain because a couple of days now, no rain don't fall, okay? So everybody just looking to go home now and watch the results look more, okay? So there you have it, people. There you have it. If you're hearing, check, check. Okay, people, check, check. Order check one. So there you have it, people. Right now we come back at the Troy primary school. So there you have it. So look on the screen for the score, alright? So good luck to the both candidates, Mr. Colin Gager of the JLP and Mr. Kedan Glave of the PMP. Alright, good luck goes to them, alright? So there you have it. Most of the most of the station would have closed by now. Okay? So right now in the worst subdivision, as you can see, and a lot of rain. People just here to looking to go home right now, okay? Alright. A lot of rain, people in South Chillan right now. No. Alright, so everybody cast them vote now, so everybody looking to go home right now. Good luck to the two candidates them, you know? Okay. I say if you go, man. I say unity for stay, man. I saw the unity for stay, you know? Yeah, man. Tomorrow is our next day, you know? Yeah. So people, we are about to close off now, so please go on the TV screen and watch the result for tomorrow, okay? Alright. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for sharing. Alright. Big up the two party. Honestly.
Shower, we say, man. Shower all the way. We are not fun.
Alright, people. We have a lot of red people. Lots of friends.
Stop, say shower.
Okay, alright. Wow.
Every time for them. All who not bathe from morning, come over and fresh.
Alright.
Shower, we say all the way.
So people, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much. So there you have it. So everybody look for the result now, okay? Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for sharing. Big up my go on, my friend. Big up my comrade friend from the Manchester area. Manners every time.
That's correct.
We love the support, we love the energy.
Always.
All
every
right.
time.
Big up yourself, yeah. All right. So people, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. All right. Thank you all for participating. Okay. So I'm gonna close off the video right now. Okay. So people, right now we are close off the video right now, no? Thanks everybody for watching, thanks everybody for sharing, alright? Alright, so good luck to everyone, alright? So as you can see, we have a lot of rain, okay? So right now we're currently in Troy, Chillan. Alright? Big up all the supporters them. How you do? Alright. So big up all the supporters them. How you do?
Big respect to Mr. Gager, big respect to Mr. Glave, and we're all here as one family in South Trelawney, Troy Trelawney.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, Lasanic video and YouTube channel.
Alright.
Mr. Glave and Mr. Gager.
Alright.
So I'm here to represent both of them, but I am not making any vote. I'm just here together, enjoying myself.
Okay.
Yes.
In the meantime, DJ Powder, you don't know, say, Colin Gager, big up yourself, because you know, say, wait.
How things look?
How things look?
Yeah.
Well, you know, say, as far as how many things look, you know, You know, say it's vice versa from both sides. So, Mr. Gage.
A good match. It's a good match. Good match.
Yeah, man.
Good
yeah,
match.
man.
Okay.
And as far as how I listen to TV station,
Yeah.
I see how things are going. You have to fight the good fight.
yeah.
And you don't know, say, I weep out this.
Yeah.
I'm there in at the mid.
Yeah.
I'm here fight.
Yes. To the end. Yeah. Yeah.
Me and me wrong, so me can't two talk to.
All right.
Me and me wrong, me
All
can't two talk to.
So big up everybody, people. Big up the comrade people. Then big up the
But me
other
for
party.
fight it, me for fight it.
Big
Yeah,
up
man.
the young general.
Yeah.
I'm a carry swing. Big up, wrong turn.
The good friend,
PMP power, we say.
we're handling them.
PMP power, we say. Big up the young general. Respect.
So people, thanks for watching, thanks for sharing. So there you have it from both sides. The comrade and the labor, alright?